Hi, I'm MEC241037, being one of the member of Group Summer, which developed VR laboratory in the given VR project. During the progress of our development, we have faced many issues in the cooperative efforts, and luckily, we managed to figure them out to present our VR laboratory as a good end of this semester. First of all, our group had problem in deciding our direction of the project. The first idea popped in our meeting discussion was VR classroom or laboratory, VR kitchen, and VR pet. We went for the VR kitchen in the beginning and realized that our knowledge of making this project is not sufficient to promote aims and objectives of an education project. In here, we had some internal conflict and the four of us held different opinions. It was a great result that we resolved the problem together and changed to a more suitable topic. In this progress, I chance to experience the real experience simulating the workplace. As a software developer or software engineer, we always need to have more communication with designer and clients to work out the project on deciding direction, language, tools, and special features. Another great result of this academy project is that I have learned a lot through settling the technical skills during the development. Neither of us had experience in VR and Unity, so that experience is like red hot to us. However, I have learned many more skills in the progress such as the basic of dimension, scaling, placement in XYZ axis in the Unity. I also chance to learn how to look for VR assets online and input them. The modification of the assets or the plugin is also important as we have want to make them more suitable to our use case with a chemistry laboratory. In the project, we made realization on the pouring of liquids, which are basically the interactive animation of elements. I also learned the setting to make interaction over items on hold, which demonstrate in the remote controller of the derivation. None of the control can be done without understanding the concept of collider, rigidbody, and scripting. This is a great problem I have overcome by browsing YouTube tutorials. For me personally, I had experience in using Autodesk Revit for civil engineering. I will stick to the mindset of creating and acting as Autodesk Revit during the application of Unity, which caused me problems. However, when I start to adapt to the logic of Unity, it was a bonus for me as the perspective view, the controls, and the asset in Unity, which we can call family in Revit, are really interesting for me. Especially when we integrate sound effect to the project. The immersive experience brought a great impact to me when the fire just popped into my face. In conclusion, while there are many challenges throughout the development, I still feel the knowledge in learn is worthy as it grows my interest in 3D and gaming. All of the technical issue I also want to thanks to my groupmate Xia, which a creative game freak who is really passionate and fast learner to share with me.